Welcome to this video from More4apps on the Product Definition Module. We've got some items that have some errors in the data, and I'm going to show you how you can validate that data and then go and create those items with valid data. So we can see here we've got an item status, type problem, and we've also got include and roll up problem here with the data. Now you may not know exactly what those data issues are, so you can either upload all the data or just validate the data beforehand. That's totally up to you. If you choose upload, it will also do the validation beforehand. So in this example here we just did a validate, and you can see the different errors that we've hit. You have two options here. You can either use our user form to go and choose a list of values, or you can manually update the data in Excel. Here we use the user form. We've got the invalid user item type, and we'll just change that to be finished goods. And you can see the list here that we've pulled back from Oracle. Press OK on the user form, and that's now fixed. And with standard Excel we can just go and fix this other data as well. Now that the data is correct, we can upload all the information into Oracle. So you can see using the More4apps product here, you get the validation within the spreadsheet, instant feedback to you. And here we'll see these data elements have now been loaded and the records have been accepted.